Hello everyone. Today we are going to make Google Chrome faster. If your Google Chrome is running slow, lagging, not responding, we will speed up Google Chrome by doing very simple steps. Make sure you watch the whole video. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome and at the top right corner, you see this 3 dots. So you just need to click on that and then go to settings. I'll just maximize it. Now here at the left hand side, we need to click on advanced and then click on system, and here you will find system and reset cleanup. Now make sure continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed should be turned off, and use hardware acceleration when available should be turned on. Now we will restore settings to their default. Now it will not delete any of your bookmark history or saved passwords. So please don't worry about it. Just click on reset settings and it will reset the whole Google Chrome without deleting your bookmark history and passwords. Once this is done, again click on these 3 dots and then go to more tools and here go to extension. Now in extensions, make sure whatever the unwanted, unnecessary extensions are there, please remove that. I have seen people have more than 50, more than 20 unknown extensions installed. Remove all of them which you do not use and then just close it and press Window and R key together in your keyboard and type ncpa.cpl and hit OK. A new window will appear. So select your Wi-Fi adapter or Ethernet adapter and then go to Property. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Then go to Properties and here we are going to enter Google DNS. With this we will be able to load all websites faster because it is one of the most fastest DNS which resolves the website way faster. So just type 8 and then use tab or just use arrow key 888 and here 2 times 8 and 2 times 4. So the first one is a primary one and second one is the secondary one. So once you enter, just hit OK and then close. Now restart the computer and see the change. Let me know if your Google Chrome is faster or not. I'll try my best to fix your problem. I'll see you in the next video, and if you have not liked and subscribed, please hit the like and subscribe. I need your support. Have a wonderful time.